You're watching Gotcha Racing TV. Yeah!
Yeah. You know I love to see you shine that light. I put that love in every rhyme I write. You and I, we ride side by side, so keep shining, y'all. Keep shining. Yeah. You know I love to see you shine that light. Yeah. Even when you gotta fight those fights, it's like that struggle make you twice as bright. So keep shining, my dude. Keep shining. Come on. Yeah, I learned a long time ago how it happens. When you get it cracking, that's when cats start attacking. Lip flapping, talking smack, a sick facet. Nation with you passing them by, with your passion. Friends back then, but yo, press fast forward, now it's like they grab the
Hey Gotcha Racing fans, this is Joe Britt. On a Sunday afternoon, I'm out and about. Look what I see. Okay, this is at a park in Long Beach. And all these guys come together once a year and they have just a good time. They come to show off them what they've done for the 12 months. And I tell you, the lowrider crawls over here, you know, and you got some muscle here too. But nevertheless, this is what we do on a Sunday afternoon. We try to bring it to you live and correct on Gotcha Racing TV. All right? So we're gonna walk around and we see some familiar faces, like this guy right here. Okay? And that's Texas, and this is how we do it, all right? This is Joe Britt, Gotcha Racing TV, Gotcha Racing Live, and we're just gonna walk around and do what we do. Here we go.
Fear in check or you'll be a goner. Improvise and connect like a street performer. Yeah, can't see what's around the corner. Life's a mystery that you need to ponder. Gotta live what you believe and do what you wanna. Gotta give to receive like a street performer. Yeah, he was one of them cats hanging around the corner with the upturned hat. Down on the ground, trying to catch some cash. Busking, saxophone sound never rusting. Steady hustling, just then, around the corner came Claude. He's addicted to buying lottery tickets, it's probably a sickness. But as the morning sun broke over the roof, it caught Claude in a moment of truth. He opened his scoop, a fast stack of tickets from a plastic sack, bid it farewell. And as he stepped out the stairwell, his stare fell. One to busk his hat, it had a 5 in it. Strange world, both of them just trying to survive in it. One man's treasure is another man's sickness. Drop the scratch tickets in the hat and his spirits lifted. That's when the sax man picked the tickets up and started scratching. I know you wanna know what happened, but yo, can't see what's around the corner. Life's a mystery that you need to honor. Keep that fear in check or you'll be a goner. Improvise and connect like a street performer. Can't see what's around the corner. Life's a mystery that you need to ponder. Gotta live what you believe and do what you wanna. Gotta give to receive like a street performer. It was one of them days around the corner. The sun blazed like a sauna. He saw the sun rays shine on her like limelight. He started killing it like cyanide. She's feeling it, the vibe's right. Tight connection like they psychic, so why fight it? The moment's golden, souls and minds united. Then it's broken and she's walking past, but his eyes open, scoping the phone number she dropped in the hat. Now how about that? It's all in the game. Switch from Cannonball to Train, it was calling his name. Small change jingled, then a man dropped singles. He kept blowing, hoping to cash his stack like a can of Pringles. Then around the corner ran a street kid, grabbed a fat handful from the hat, then the thief split. No secret, that's a stone cold bummer. But he only wondered if he still had that phone number. But yo, can't see what's around the corner. Time's like a thief and it creep up on you. Keep that fear in check or you'll be a goner. Improvise and connect like a street performer. Can't see what's around the corner. Life's a mystery that you need to ponder. Gotta live what you believe and do what you wanna. Gotta give to receive like a street performer.
I know you did. That was kind of next time. That was
up with somebody else. And it don't feel good. Oh, there you go. Vortex back. Not a regular one.
You know what? The detail is right, nice and clean, and it looks like it's from factory, man.
Thank you.
That's really nice.
Thank you.
Nothing's out of place.
Except for him.
It gets worse and worse.
Okay, let it slide. You get 10 points for that one. That was,
Look here.
Thank you.
I've been married 30 years. You think I haven't heard that before?
And for somebody who cares, huh?
Somebody I actually need.
He got you back on that one, man.
Let me show you.
Got under there.
No, you told me. That's how I'm telling you to talk to truck. Two hoods to make this.
Get it right.
55 bottom. Oh, and I had to weld this one on top
of it.
because I wanted that.
Oh,
55 dash.
okay.
Bel Air dash, so I welded it. And these, I got rid of the parking lamps and put them here.
Okay.
Flip the bumper, pushed it back.
I tell you, man, that's a nice Frankenstein job you did to it. It's really nice.
It's a bunch of stuff
good,
on it.
It sets you apart.
Got rid of all the emblems.
It's all right, bro.
Drip rails.
Yeah.
Stage drip rails. Rounded door corner. Here. No, but welded all the seams on the inside. Welded the bed completely together. No bolts are showing. Alright. Then I made all of these tubs and all of this stuff to go around. Made my own wood.
Damn, and you chopped down the tree too?
No. Wood, I didn't want to go with oak, but oak is the cheapest, man. That damn wood is expensive. Right? Oh. Frame box completely front to back with a progressive cross member in the middle.
Okay.
Ford 8.8 rear end, 373 gear, narrow, 2012.
Okay.
And of course Mustang 2 up front.
Transmission.
406 degrees.
Okay.
That's a 5.7 in there now, boarded out, camera. And what else? There's a bunch of stuff I can't remember.
So this is the backyard bill?
Huh?
Backyard in your garage?
Backyard build.
Is that right?
I even painted it in my garage.
Really?
This, this shed, because we got that porcine.
Yeah.
Well, the shed then it was too plain, so I saw this on the 57,
Okay.
and I've done this. It's just tail light and brake. I wish it was directional.
Yeah. Oh, that'd be nice.
Oh, and this is my filler. The gas filter. Motorcycle cap.
Top out?
Yeah.
Killing the game, man. Killing the game.
What?
Do you have any power filling it?
Yeah, I got a
With this, like
no, I got a funnel.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You think it would have been better if you raised it up?
No, it still wouldn't have been good because the wall is right here. See, but I should have put it here.
But I mean, so.
so right.